Dough. Money or cash. He makes a lot of dough from his job. They don't have enough dough for a vacation. Creep. A person who behaves in a strange or scary way. Don't talk to him, he's a creep. She felt uncomfortable because a creep followed her. Beat. To feel very tired or exhausted. She was beat after studying all night. He looked beat after the long game. Chill. To relax or stay calm. He told me to chill and not worry. We're just chilling and watching TV. Broke. Having no money. I can't go out tonight. I'm broke. Don't ask him for money, he's broke too. Hairy. Something scary or dangerous. Driving in the storm was hairy. The flight was a bit hairy because of bad weather. Crash. To fall asleep suddenly. I was so tired, I crashed on the couch. I came home and crashed right away. Hyped. Very excited or full of energy about something. Everyone is hyped about the new movie. She got hyped after hearing the good news. Hangry. Angry because you are hungry. He was hangry, so he shouted at me. Kids become hangry when dinner is late. Dope. Very cool or awesome. Your new jacket looks dope. This game is so dope, I can't stop playing.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!